Ma'am, but who is the sharing the
Yeah,
screen?
I'm sharing it now. Can you see this?
Okay,
Okay.
wait a minute.
Okay. All right. So
Then, ma'am.
reading just the Indonesian part. Yeah. Just the
Just Indonesian
just the
English.
English translation. Yeah.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, I started. One, A Bright House by Ahmad Tohari. Electricity entered my village 40 years ago and has done so much. The village seems to have received an injection of new energy, making it pulse with excitement. Electricity brought us light, music, ice, and even fire and wind. In my village, electricity has killed the moon in the sky. The moon no longer captures the heart of children. It can no longer cast shadows from the streets. But the village doesn't feel the loss of the moon, nor does it feel the loss of three men who were electrocuted and died. A lamp was standing in front of my house, just as its fellow poles brought chance to the nearby house. The slender concrete pole support cables in front of my house.
Okay. All right. Good. Um, but this is a story, and usually in English, the stories are narrated in the past tense. Ya,
Oh,
biasanya diceritakan dalam past tense. Jadi di sini kan udah benar. Oke, ya.
and
Iya, entered itu sudah betul. Jadi village menjadi seemed, ya. Sorry, to have received an injection of new energy. Ya, oke, baik itu an injection of new energy, making it pulse with excitement. Ya, oke, pulse di sini bisa jadi kayak apa berdenyut-denyut gitu ya. Boleh, ya. Oke. Di sini past tense kan seem to. Kemudian this is good. Electricity brought us light, music, ice, and even fire and wind. Ya, ditambahkan di sini and even. Good. In my village, electricity. Ya, jadi di sini ya past tense saja ya. Tapi oke, kita pakai past tense saja. Has killed boleh juga sih ya. No longer captured the hearts of the children. Yeah. Okay. It no it can no longer, ya, menjadi, it could, ya, cast shadows from the trees. Okay. Di sini from the trees atau of the trees?
Oh, off deh kayaknya. Kayak
Iya,
salah mistake.
iya, oke. Jadi bayangan dari pohon ya. Oke. The village bukan doesn't jadi didn't ya.
Jadi,
Iya. Nor nor di sini jadi bukan does tapi did. It feel the loss of three men who were electrocuted and died. Oke. Nah, di sini a lamppost stood ya. Tapi di situ bukan lamppost karena ini bukan ya bukan tiang lampu ya. Oh, ini lamppost tiang lampu. Jadi di sini apa? An electric ya.
oh,
Electricity pole post ya stood in front of my house. Just as its fellow poles. Oke, kalau pakai di sini poles ya di sini pakai poles saja. Brought change to the nearby houses. This slender concrete pole ya baik itu ditambahkan pole karena tanpa pole jadi aneh ya. Nah, kita pakai past tense ya. Supported cables in front of my house. Oke? Jadi untuk selanjutnya juga kita pakai past tense ya.
terima kasih
Oke.
masukannya.
Iya. Terima kasih Mayuna. Shiva?
Dan apakah possible saya ganti apa tukeran dulu saya part siapa part di 4 atau
Oke.
5?
Oke. Siapa yang siap? Atala, are you ready?
Ah, sebentar, Miss.
Belum.
Atau mau tukar gak? Atau nomor 6 kan?
Ah iya, saya nomor 6.
Ya nanti atau nomor 2 coba nomor 6.
Saya lagi ngajar. Iya, ini dari siapa? Oh iya Pak, saya lagi ngajar. Memang saya itu tidak tahu itu apakah saya harus membayar tambahan atau bagaimana. Jadi nggak jelas. Tapi sekarang saya ngajar sampai jam 2. Ya, terima kasih. Selamat siang. Oke. Hmm, where are we? Bentar ya. Oke. Jadi siapa yang bisa nomor 2?
Saya sama...
Maaf Miss, saya aja adalah
Ya.
maaf si
Oh,
Shiva
iya,
aja,
oke.
Shiva aja. Saya sudah
Oh, sudah
taruh di
bisa.
situ. Ya.
Oke. Ya. Jadi Atala nanti tetap nomor 6 ya. Oke? Alright. Jadi yang ditempel ini Shiva ya?
Iya, Mem, benar. Saya
Oke.
besarkan dulu.
Ya. Bisa dibesarkan itunya ya. Fontnya gedein dikit, ini kecil sekali 8. Ya, oke.
Dibaca ya, Mem?
Ya, silakan.
The differences is that what was brought to my house were the fierce chatter and complaints of two neighbors behind my house. For a long time, my house remained dark. My father didn't want to install the electricity. This content refusal annoyed the neighbors behind our house. Both of them were very eager to become electricity customers, but their desire was impossible to fulfill unless there was a proof pole on the top of our house. The two neighborhoods were too far from the electric pole. My village, with its love for gossip, took this an opportunity to talk freely about my father. Of course, the neighbors were the source. He should change his name to Hajj Bahil or Stingy. He is wealthy but refused to get electricity installed. Of course, he is worried it will cost too much money.
Okay, alright. Ya. Okay, so we're going to use past tense. Jadi di sini juga the difference was, ya. The difference was that what was brought to my house were the fierce chatter and complaints. Okay, bagus, boleh ya. Fierce chatter and complaint is good. Of two neighbors behind my house. Okay. For a long time, my house remained dark. My father didn't want to install the electricity. Nah, kalau di sini yang memasang itu bukan, itu orang lain ya. Jadi istilahnya didn't want to have electricity installed. Ya. Dan di sini this constant refusal, jadi itu bagus ya. Annoyed the neighbors. Jadi di sini kita lihat sudah pakai the karena kita sudah tahu yang mana. Ya. Jadi the neighbors behind our house. Both of them were very eager to become electricity customers. Okay, good. But their desire was impossible to fulfill. Yeah. Unless there was a roof pole. Okay, jadi di sini ada tiang yang di atas atap ya, jadi boleh. A roof pole on top of our house. Good. Ya. Jadi di sini pakai on top of our house supaya tidak diulang-ulang roofnya. Ya, good. The two neighbors' houses were too far from the electric pole. Ya. Bisa di sini ditambahkan in front of my house. Ya. Oke. Untuk membuatnya lebih eksplisit. Ya. My village, with its love for gossip, took this as an opportunity to talk freely about my father. Nah, di sini kalau berkata seenaknya, ini konotasinya negatif atau positif? Konotasinya. Berkata seenaknya.
Lebih ke negatif ya, Mem.
Negatif ya. Nah, sedangkan to talk freely itu tidak negatif ya, mungkin netral atau positif ya, freely. Jadi bisa cari kata yang talk freely itu diganti dengan suatu yang punya konotasi negatif. Karena itu penting. Bisa juga di parafrase ya. Misalnya, this was an opportunity to say bad things about my father. Misalnya. Tapi ada banyak kemungkinan yang lain. Yang lain pakai apa? Atala, what did you do?
Say whatever they wanted.
Iya, bisa itu. To say whatever they wanted, boleh ya. Oke. Rindu? What did you do?
Sebentar, Mem. Saya cek dulu soalnya saya pakai HP nge-lag. Sebentar ya, Mem.
Iya. Mungkin yang lain coba bisa lihat-lihat ada terjemahan yang lebih pas mungkin atau yang berbeda karena when you're translating literature, yeah, you're quite free to translate, but the effect should not be changed. And this is that effect of negativity. It's something negative. And if you say talk freely, it's not negative, ya. Gimana Rindu? What did you
Iya,
have?
Mem. Oh, sebentar ya, Mem. Soalnya nge-stuck banget HP-nya.
Oke, oke. Ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Iya.
Ya, alright, ya. Tadi Atala apa? What did you say?
Say whatever they wanted.
Ya. Ya, oke. Lebih baik daripada freely, ya. Oke. Of course, the two neighbors were the source. He should change his name to Haji Bakil. Di sini mungkin nggak usah pakai tanda kurung, tapi dibuat the stingy one, ya.
Mem,
Yes.
saya juga pakainya to speak freely about my father.
To
Yang
speak.
berkata seenaknya, ya,
Oke. Ya,
to speak
ya,
freely.
ya. Oke. Jadi di situ kita harus mencari kata yang sifatnya negatif, ya. Berkata-kata yang negatif. Dan itu ada banyak pilihan, ya. Oke. Karena efeknya. Di sini mereka selalu berceloteh itu di dalam teks ini konotasinya negatif. Dan itu yang perlu disampaikan, ya, unsur negatif itu. Okay, he's wealthy, but he refuses to get electricity installed. Okay, good. Of course, he's worried it would cost too much money. Mungkin di sini would bisa, tapi will, ya, karena ini apa yang dikatakan langsung, ya. This is direct speech. So present tense, he's worried, he's wealthy. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, Shifa. Tiara. Tiara, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Apakah sudah terlihat, ma'am?
Ya, sudah.
Okay.
Turunin.
Sometimes the chatter that reached my ears was so sharp that I couldn't take it anymore. They said my father kept Tuyul. Of course, Haji Bakir won't install electricity because Tuyul don't like bright light. Finally, the two neighbors planned further action. I don't know where they learned from, but they accused my father of violating the principle of public interest. They like my father to some like not they liken they liken my father to someone who refused to make way for someone who live in a landlocked area. It was said that they would complain about my father to the head of the village. I myself had no problem with my father's attitude. For one thing, I was the one who had become more and more the butt of the widespread chatter in my village.
Okay, ya. Okay, jadi di sini sometimes the chatter that reached my ears, jadi itu langsung terjemahannya tapi bisa, was so sharp that I couldn't take it anymore. Ya, oke. Ini relatif setia pada teks asal, tetapi jalan, ya, bisa. They said my father kept. Nah, di sini kita pakai ya, kept a tuyul. Nah, tuyul itu apa? Harus diberi keterangan. Ya, jadi pakai koma. Ada yang menambahkan keterangan? Ada tidak yang nerjemahin?
Saya, ma'am.
Okay, what did you write, Iri?
Indonesian folklore. Apa ya? So, wait.
Saya juga dideskripsiin, ma'am.
Gimana?
Jadi, Tuyul, a little spirit that stole money for him.
Oke, ya.
Saya juga
Apa?
a mythical creature that steals money for its owner.
Oke, ya. Jadi di situ bisa mythical, ya.
Ma'am,
Creature.
kalau langsung diubah jadi goblin bisa gak, ma'am?
Tapi goblin itu di dalam cerita Barat itu tidak mencuri untuk yang memiliki gitu. Karena itu kan itu tidak ada di cerita ini kan. Kita cuma tahu tuyul. Oke, kalau orang simpen tuyul biasanya tuyul itu kan nyuri untuk pemiliknya. Dan kita sudah tahu. Sedangkan di sini kan tidak ada. Dan goblin itu tidak melakukan itu. Kayaknya tidak ada orang yang memelihara goblin. Itu bukan suatu tradisi atau suatu yang dilakukan. Jadi lebih baik ini kita pertahankan a mythical creature that steals. Ya, dan bisa juga that steals money for its owner. Ya. Oke. Jadi ini keterangan yang cukup singkat tapi jelas. Ya, oke. Dan kemudian disambung ya di sini. Bakir won't install electricity because tuyul ya di sini doesn't like bright. Jadi di sini doesn't ya. Kalau mau pakai tuyul don't ya harus pakai tuyul, tapi mending pakai tuyul ya. Oke. Kemudian di sini itu sudah baik ya, planned past tense. Nah, di sini I didn't know where they, kita pakaiin past tense saja. Where they learned from. Learned what? Learned itu transitif, jadi harus ada objek. Jadi I didn't know where they learned that from. Yeah. But they accused my father of violating the principle of public interest. Okay, good. They likened past tense, yeah, my father to someone who refused to make way for someone who lived in a landlocked area. Di sini someone mungkin supaya lebih enak kita bisa ganti dengan those ya. For those who lived in a landlocked area. Yeah. Okay. It was said that they would complain about my father to the head of the village. Okay. I myself had no problem with my father's attitude. Nah, ini salah. Kenapa salah? Ini kenapa salah, Tiara? Coba lihat kalimat aslinya. Aku sendiri bukan tidak punya masalah. Double seharusnya mungkin mengubah bentuknya, ya. It wasn't as if I myself, ya, had no problem with my father's attitude. Ya, jadi di sini sudah ada double negatif. Jadi sebenarnya dia punya masalah, ya. Atau ini bisa diganti dengan I too had a problem with my father's attitude. Ya. Tapi yang jelas yang tadi itu salah. Karena ada masalah. Okay? For one thing, I was the one who had become more and more the butt of the widespread chatter in my village. Ya, oke, boleh. Alright? Oke. Thank you. Biar,
Thank
siapa?
you, ma'am.
Ya, now we go to Gary.
Ma'am, maaf, Gary tadi kan kebagian 2 bagian, part 4 sama part 8.
Oh,
Nah,
lah.
saya belum kebagian baca, belum pernah, jadi saya yang part 4-nya
Ya,
apakah boleh, Ma'am?
boleh, boleh.
Oke, sebentar ya, Ma'am.
Ya.
Apakah sudah terlihat, Ma'am?
Ya, sudah.
Oke.
Nadine ya?
Iya, Nadine. It was truly uncomfortable. Secondly, I had enough salary as a contraceptive use promoter to afford a radio, a cassette player, and even a TV. I was still single. It was so annoying to have to keep buying batteries and charging a car battery just because electricity stopped stopped right in front of our house. Before I know the real reason for my father's decision, I often tried to persuade him. Why couldn't we join the rest of the village in killing the moon? I even told him that if didn't want to spend the money, I'd cover costs myself. But my words offended him. The prayer bats in his hands, always clicking softly, suddenly stopped. So you're just like the people who call me stingy and say I kept spirits? He asked.
Ya, di sini jadi di spirits itu tadi kan kita di atas sudah pakai istilah tuyul, ya. Jadi karena di atas sudah dijelaskan, di sini kita pakai tuyul. Oke? Alright. Kita ke atas ya. It was truly uncomfortable. Secondly, I had enough salary as a contraceptive use promoter. Okay. Jadi di sini istilah propagandis menjadi contraceptive promoter boleh ya. To afford a radio, a cassette player, and even a TV. I was still single. Okay, good. Yeah. It was. Nah, di sini mungkin so-nya justru dipindah ke depan ya. So it was annoying to have to keep buying batteries and charging a car battery. Yeah. Just because electricity stopped right in front of our house. Ini agak gimana tuh? Mungkin ini justru dipindah ke depan, tapi bukan stop in front of our house. Jadi because electricity was available right in front of our house. Ya. Jadi di sini house, ya. It was annoying. Ya. Oke. Jadi di sini dihilangkan, ya. Kemudian it was annoying to have to keep buying batteries and charging a car battery. Nah, di sini mungkin pembaca orang asing akan bingung. Lah, car battery untuk apa gitu ya. Kayaknya belum disebut mereka punya mobil atau apa. Jadi diberi keterangan ya. Which we used as the source of electricity. Ya. Jadi kita beri keterangan tambahan. Ya, karena mungkin kan orang yang hidup di negara maju kan tidak terbayang bahwa mobil itu bisa dipakai untuk nyalain lampu misalnya. Ya. Oke. Jadi ini ditambahkan supaya lebih mudah dimengerti. Oke? Ini sudah baik. Before I knew the real reason for my father's decision, I often tried to persuade him to do what? Dan di sini you persuade someone. Di sini mungkin lebih jelas kalau kita tambahkan to change his mind. Ya. Oke. To persuade him boleh, tapi ini lebih jelas ya. Nah, di sini ini ada tanda petik, jadi ini ujaran langsung ya. Jadi bukan couldn't, tapi why can't ya. Why can't we join the rest of the village in killing the moon? Ya. Dan ini juga sudah baik pakai past tense. I even told him that if he didn't want to spend the money, I'd cover the cost myself. Good, ya. Past tense semua. Dan di sini juga past tense offended him. The prayer beats in his hands, always clicking softly, suddenly stop. Good, past tense, ya. Tapi kemudian di sini ada direct speech, jadi tense-nya juga berubah. So you are just like the people who call me stingy, ya. And say I keep a tuyul. He asked, ya. Okay? Atau di sini kita bisa pakai bakil kan? Kita boleh pakai istilah bakil, kenapa? Kenapa? Karena di atas sudah dijelaskan, ya. Jadi kita menggunakan ini lagi, ya. Karena di atas kan sudah di ini bakil, ya, the stingy one. Jadi kita pakai saja, ya. Oke. Jadi unsur budaya itu diperkenalkan dan dipakai, ya. Alright? Oke.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oke, thank you Nadine. Pilsa.
Ya, ma'am, sebentar.
Oke. Okay. All right. Can you read that?
Yes. Suara saya terdengar ya, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. I regretted it, but it didn't matter because afterward, my father told me the real reason why he didn't want electricity.
Yeah.
And that reason is something I could never reveal to anyone for fear of inviting even harsher gossip. I
Okay.
cannot bear the thought
of my father being ridiculed even more. After all, my father is my parent who paid for my education so that I could work as a contraceptive promoter. Why don't people appreciate the status I now have? Being a contraceptive promoter not only brings material rewards in the form of salary and incentive, but also brings other benefits. So I give in to my father stands willing to buy batteries and charge car batteries and to endure the never-ending gossip from everyone in the village.
Okay. All right. Okay, good. Yeah. Jadi, I regretted it, but it didn't matter because afterward, my father told me, past tense, the real reason why he didn't want electricity. Good, ya. Tidak mau, didn't want electricity. Good. And that is something, and that, jadi di sini pakai was, ya. That was something I could never reveal to anyone for fear of inviting even harsher gossip. Ya, ini baik, ya. Nah, ini balik lagi ke present tense. Harusnya past tense, ya. Menjadi I could not. Okay? Bear the thought of my father being ridiculed even more. Okay, yeah? And this is a good expression, yeah? Ridiculed. After all, my father, di sini, ini semua pakai past tense, ya? Kecuali di sini, kalau ada pertanyaan-pertanyaan seperti ini, dan kita membuatnya menjadi pertanyaan yang langsung di dalam pikirannya, jadi dikasih tanda gini, ya. Jadi kemudian mungkin kita tambahkan kalau begitu ya. I thought to myself. Misalnya ya, bisa begitu. Jadi di sini tidak perlu diubah. Why don't people appreciate the status I now have? Being a contraceptive promoter not only brings material rewards in the form of salary and incentives, but also brings other benefits. Ya, I thought to myself. Titik. Ya. Sedangkan di sini, after all, ya di sini karena memang bapaknya ya, who had paid for my education so that I could work as a contraceptive promoter. Okay? Do you see the difference here? Kalau seandainya ini tidak pakai tanda petik, ya harus diganti. Ya, why didn't people appreciate being not only brought kemudian but also brought other benefits. Ya, tapi dengan mengubahnya menjadi direct speech, kita bisa mempertahankan. Tapi kita tambahkan dengan I thought to myself. Ya. Oke. Kemudian so I gave in ya di situ. Good choice, ya. To my father's firm stance. Okay. Willing to buy batteries and charge. Ya, kira-kira akunya itu banyak atau satu? And charge mungkin ya. Tapi mungkin pembaca dalam budaya lain, dalam budaya yang maju gitu, nggak bisa menghubungkan aku dengan listrik di rumah, ya. Kalau untuk kita mungkin dengan sendirinya, oke. Kalau ada yang nggak punya listrik, ya sering aki mobil itu jadi sumber listrik. Tapi itu bukan kebiasaan di budaya sasaran. Jadi kita menambahkan informasi. To charge, mungkin di sini the car battery that we used as a source of gitu, ya. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya. Karena kebiasaan menggunakan aki mobil untuk listrik di negara maju, ya they cannot connect, ya. Jadi kita beri keterangan. And to endure the never-ending gossip from everyone in the village. Okay. Yeah. Good. Thank you, Lisa.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Atala, your turn now. Okay. Can you read it out?
Yeah. When my dad got sick, he didn't want to be treated at a hospital. His condition worsened by the day. Even so, he remained adamant in not wanting hospitalization. I tried to appeal to what I had thought were his reasons to avoid the hospital. Are you worried that the rooms there will be lit by electric lights? If they do, then I'll try to make them use candles instead, just for you. Dad responded with offense through eyes that had bleached blue. Oh God, yet another mistake. And with his next few stuttering words, my soul was suddenly shattered. Enough, son. You yourself can see that I'm half dead.
Okay, yeah. All right, good. Jadi di sini sudah baik, ya. When my dad got sick, ya. Good. He didn't want to be treated. Past tense, his condition worsened. Past tense. Even so, he remained adamant in not wanting hospitalization. Okay, yeah. Of course, you can say this in many different ways, yeah, but this is correct and good. I tried to appeal to what I thought were his reasons to avoid the hospital. Okay. Are you worried that the rooms there will be lit by electric lights? Ya, oke, ini percakapan langsung, ya. Jadi if they do, I'll try to make them use candles instead. Yeah, good. Dad responded with offense through eyes that had bleached blue. Oke, di sini ada sedikit masalah dengan warna, ya. Karena warna biru itu biasanya warna mata orang Caucasian, ya, yang kira-kira menjadi target dari terjemahan ini. Dan mata biru itu adalah mata yang ya warna mata yang indah gitu, ya. Jadi mungkin kita mencoba jangan pakai blue tapi warna lain yang lebih ya netral gitu. Seperti mungkin gray. What do you think, Atala? Kalau kita pakai gray.
Gray lebih cocok, ma'am.
Iya. Oke, karena itu sih konotasi biru itu untuk mata orang Caucasia, ya. Sedangkan Asia kan hitam atau coklat. Jadi di sini beach gray. Oke. Oh God, yet another mistake. Alright, boleh ya. And with his next few stuttering words, my soul was suddenly shattered. Ya, di situ mendadak buntu, ya, jiwaku mendadak buntu. My soul was shattered. Oke, boleh ya. Enough, son. You yourself can see that I'm half dead. Oke, half dead, tapi mungkin lebih apa kalau I'm dying. Gimana? Daripada
Bisa,
half
ma'am.
dead, ya. Oke. Oke, ya. Kayaknya efeknya lebih enak. Ya. Alright. Thank you, Salah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Job. The next one is Kartika.
Yes, ma'am. Apakah suara saya terdengar?
Yes.
After I'm gone, you can quickly install electricity in this house. I had never heard my father's word contain such sharp irony. My regret was endless and shames. My skill in verbal persuasion, something I use too often in my work as a contraceptive promoter, meant nothing to him. It was even more humiliating because those were the last words he spoke to me. 100 days after my father's death, the people doing the tahlil players in my house were already sitting under a 20-watt neon light. They look at the light and smile. Two neighbors from behind our house, who now had electricity themselves, come up to me.
Oke, ya. Alright, ini juga sudah baik ya. Jadi di sini after I'm gone, you can quickly install. Mungkin lebih tepat adalah you can quickly have electricity installed because orang lain kan yang memasang, ya. You can quickly have electricity installed in this house. I had never heard my father's words contain such sharp irony. My regret was endless, and di sini kayaknya perlu ada and I apa? Perlu ada verb. Ashamed ini adjective ya. And I felt, ya. I felt ashamed, ya. Okay. My skill in verbal persuasion, dan di sini juga boleh pakai skills kan, ya. Skills in verbal. Skill juga boleh, tapi kayaknya there's more than one, ya. Something that I use so often in my work as a contraceptive promoter, good, meant nothing to him. Oke, ini juga baik ya. Kita bisa menerjemahkan seperti ini. Meant nothing to him. It was even more humiliating because those were the last words he spoke to me. Yeah, those were. Good. 100 days after my father's death, the people doing the tahlil prayers, doing atau reciting, in my house, were already sitting under a 20-watt neon light. Yeah, good. Astens, were already sitting. They looked at the light and smiled. Nah, di sini, ini kan sudah pernah disebut, jadi the two neighbors from behind our house who now had electricity themselves came up to me. Ya, bagus ya. Came up to me. Who now had electricity. Okay? All right. The last one. Shawa.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, bukan last ya. Satu lagi.
Ini yang Gary dulu atau saya dulu, ma'am?
Sorry. Ini saya salah. Gary ya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah.
Well, it's better with electricity, isn't it, babe? I kept quiet because I was annoyed at their style of connecting the installation of electricity in my house, which was only possible after my father died. Oh, they didn't know that I was in a daze myself. I had the electricity installed, it but I was afraid to turn on the radio, TV, and record player. In the afternoon, I never did anything until my mother turned on the lights. I was
Hilang.
reluctant to touch the switch because every time I did, my father image would suddenly appear and I heard the ticking of his prayer beads. Confused.
Kalau ada full stop, suaranya turun dong.
Oh, I heard the ting of his prayer beads.
Of his prayer beads.
His
Turun.
prayer beads
Confused.
So suddenly my mouth was running.
Okay.
Aduh.
Ya. Nah, di sini Mas terjemahan dengan babe. Ya. Kalau dalam hubungan tersebut tertentu bisa. Tapi dalam konteks ini tidak. Ya, kalau babe itu misalnya pacar, ya. Seorang gadis menyapa pacarnya Mas. Nah, di situ bisa pakai babe. Tapi ini tidak kan? Ini adalah tetangganya kan yang ngomong. Kira-kira tetangganya itu lebih tua dari dia, ya. Tapi mereka menggunakan mas ya untuk lebih mendekatkan. Jadi di sini apa? Bisa kita hilangkan saja, ya. Karena kalau kita ganti dengan mungkin apa brother juga nggak pas ya. Jadi kita hilangkan saja, ya. Dan kayaknya juga tidak ada efek pada pada dampak ceritanya kan, kalau kita hilangkan masnya. Gimana menurut kalian? Ada yang lain yang menerjemahkannya menggunakan atau bagaimana?
Kalau saya menggunakan mas.
Ya, menggunakan mas, tapi kemudian karena itu kan ada kata yang asing gitu. Dan mungkin mereka kemudian berpikir nama orang itu, nama narator itu adalah mas. Iya kan? kalau tidak ada keterangan. Iya. Atau kalau mau kita tambahkan, well, it's better with electricity, isn't it, young man? Gitu. Ya. Kalau mau bisa pakai young man. Ya. Kalau mau itu pakai mas, kemudian ini dikasih tanda kurung gitu ya. Oke? Alright. I kept quiet, past tense, because I was annoyed at their style. Ya, di sini melihat gaya mereka. I was annoyed at their style of connecting the installation of the electricity in my house, which was only possible after my father's death. Oke, di sini ini terjemahan setia ya dari ini. Dan kelihatannya sedikit apa ya? Sedikit awkward, kaku ya. Jadi kita artikan aja ini. Kita ambil artinya apa? Ya. Sebab melihat gaya mereka ya. Yang pasti menghubungkan. Jadi I was annoyed because they were gitu aja. Because they were probably most probably connecting the installation of electricity in my house to my father's death gitu aja. Oh, they didn't know that I was in a daze myself. Ya. Anda mungkin di sini kita lihat ada penggunaan confused. Kita pakai saja I was. They didn't know that I myself was confused. Ya. Okay. I had the electricity installed, but I was afraid to turn on. Okay, ya, betul. In the afternoon, I never did anything until my mother turned on the lights. Nah, di sini afternoon itu kayaknya sore. Kalau sore kita udah pasang lampu nggak? Kalau sekarang kan itu kalau jam segini ini udah afternoon ya. Jadi mungkin kita cocokkan saja. Jadi kira-kira kapan kita memerlukan listrik ya? Itu biasanya kan kalau sudah mulai gelap ya, sudah mulai malam. Sebentar saya ambil charger dari laptop, sudah mau habis. Oke, ya. Jadi kata apa yang bisa kita pakai? Jadi jangan pakai afternoon, tapi
Evening.
iya, mungkin evening di situ lebih pas, ya. Jadi kita sesuaikan dengan keadaan ya supaya orang bisa mengerti. Ya. Until my mother turned on the lights. Ya. I was reluctant to touch the switches because every time I did, yeah, good, my father's image would suddenly appear. And I'd hear, ya, dari I'd hear the ticking. Di atas kita mengatakan clicking, ya. Jadi pakai clicking. The clicking of his prayer beads. Confused, ya. Suddenly, nah di sini was running agak apa? Agak kaku. Mungkin ada yang lain yang punya usulan atau terjemahannya beda instead of was running.
Blurted out, ma'am.
Ya. My
My
mouth
mouth started blurting
blurted
out.
out. Yeah, words. Yeah. My mouth blurted. Atau my mouth started to blurt gitu. Atau my mouth blurted out. Gimana?
Blurted. Blurted out words, ma'am.
Yeah, words. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you, Atala. Okay, the last one. Yang terakhir siapa? Cawa.
Saya, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
Okay. To the guests who came to recite Tahlil, I revealed the real reason why my father disliked electricity, a secret I had always kept. My father didn't like electricity. I explained he believed that using electricity was like wasting light. If he used up all his light in this life, he feared there would be no more light for him in the afterlife. I was ready for their teasing and jokes, having laughed at his beliefs myself. Surprisingly, the guests bowed their heads in silence. I followed suit, praying sincerely, hoping that my father would find sufficient light in the hereafter.
Okay, yeah. This is good, ya. Jadi to the guests who came to recite tahlil, ya. Tahlil itu tadi sudah ada di atas kan? Jadi ada nggak ya? Atau di situ tahlil, ya. I revealed the real reason why my father disliked, ya. A secret I had always kept. Okay. Bisa kita tambahkan to myself, ya. Untuk memperkuat. Tapi nggak pakai juga nggak apa-apa. My father didn't like electricity, I explained. He believed that using electricity was like wasting light. Di sini kita memperhatikan bahwa ini adalah kata direct speech, ya. Tetapi kenapa pakai past tense? Kenapa tidak pakai doesn't like? Kan ini kata direct speech. Kenapa pakai didn't like dan bukan doesn't like? Ayo. Can anybody answer that? Karena dari tadi kan saya bilang, kalau direct speech, ya itu biasanya present tense. Ya sesuai dengan kondisi. Di sini my father didn't like electricity. Itu betul karena bapaknya sudah tidak ada. Ya. Bapaknya sudah meninggal. Jadi didn't. Okay, because his father's passed away. Oke, jadi semua itu menjadi past tense. He believed, ya. Jadi walaupun ya ini yang dipercaya dulu, sekarang kan sudah meninggal, jadi past tense. He believed that using electricity was like wasting light. If he used it up all his light in this light, he feared there would be no more light for him in the afterlife. Good. Yeah. I was ready for their teasing and jokes. Okay. Having laughed. Ya, di sini ini betul ya. Having laughed at his beliefs myself. Ya. Oke. Yang ini agak sedikit, ya betul, cuman ada yang punya terjemahan lain. I was ready for their teasing and jokes. Tapi penempatannya baik ya di sini. Aku siap menerima celotehan dan olok-olok yang mungkin akan dilontarkan para tamu. Ada yang punya translation line?
Saya ini, Bang.
Ya, oke.
I was prepared for any comments or jokes the guests might throw my way.
Iya, oke. I was prepared for any. Ya, di sini I was ready for, I was prepared for their apa? Ya, mungkin di situ kita bisa menambahkan ya for their rude comments. And apa tadi? Jokes, oke. Ya, jadi kita tambahkan ya rude gitu ya. Ready, prepared sama ya. Having laughed at his beliefs myself. Ya, yang ini baik. Having laughed at his beliefs myself. Ya, kemudian surprisingly, the guests bowed their heads in silence. I followed suit, ya, saya mengikuti, praying sincerely, hoping that my father would find sufficient light in the hereafter. Oke, baik, ya. Kiranya ayahnya mendapat cahaya di alam sana. Tapi mungkin ada juga yang menerjemahkan ini sebagai doa dari orang-orang. Bisa nggak? Itu juga mungkin, ya. Interpretasi seperti ini bahwa ini adalah apa yang dikatakan it's good, ya, it's okay. Tapi karena di sini ada kiranya ayahnya, ya. Ini seperti doa yang diucapkan oleh orang-orang lain kan? Ya. Jadi ini yang sudah kamu kerjakan ini baik ya, ini boleh. Ya, dan ya it's good. Tapi mungkin ada mahasiswa lain yang terjemahannya beda. Coba ada yang bisa share? Atau semua sama dengan Syawa? Pasti ada yang beda. Karena ini juga menyangkut sedikit interpretasi.
Kalau saya depannya pakai may my father.
Jadi gimana?
Jadi kalimatnya may my father have enough light in the next world.
Ya, jadi ya sama itu ya. Tapi di situ dipisahkan ya dari kalimat depannya. Ya, may my father have enough light in the next world. Ya, sama dengan ini. Ya, jadi itu adalah doa dari narator. Ya, tapi yang saya katakan tadi, apakah mungkin ada yang menerjemahkan ini sebagai doa dari tamu yang datang? Ada? Siapa? Atala, what did you do?
I translated it as perhaps Dad has enough light in the afterlife.
Gimana? Jadi,
Perhaps Dad has
oh,
enough light in the afterlife.
alright. Nah, di sini kamu kurang teliti atau kurang peka terhadap kiranya, ya. Kiranya itu adalah kayak doa gitu. Ya, jadi bukan perhaps tapi may, ya. May my father atau his father, ya. Oke. Alright. Yang lain mungkin?
I pray that my father next life be filled with like this.
Iya, oke. Ini sama, jadi masih I yang berdoa. Pertanyaan saya adalah apakah ada yang menginterpretasi ini sebagai doa tamu? Karena di sini ada ayahnya, ya. Kiranya ayahnya, ya. Kalau misalnya ini dari naratornya kan menjadi kiranya ayah, ya. Tapi di sini dalam bahasa Indonesianya dikasih pakainya. Jadi kalau gitu ini kalau ini dianggap sebagai doa dari tamu yang datang untuk menghadiri tahlilan, itu bisa dipindah di sini menjadi ya. Jadi surprisingly the guests bowed their heads in silence. Kemudian may his father have sufficient light in the hereafter. Ya, kemudian I followed suit praying. Ya, sincerely. Titik gitu. Ya. Jadi itu. Jadi kita bisa melihat kadang-kadang interpretasi itu bisa agak berbeda. Tapi yang penting itu tidak mengubah plotnya, tidak mengubah alur cerita, ya, dan tidak mengubah kesan dan pesan yang disampaikan oleh penulis pada kita. Oke? Ya. Alright. So we finished that. Oke, di sini tadi ada an undead influence in Indonesian. Oke. Oke. Ini mungkin terlalu complicated jadi dibuat ringkas aja ya. Oke, yang ini our village where people love to gossip found new fuel to talk about my father itu bagus ya dari Ikhlasya. Okay. All right, sekarang you can go and have a break. After this, you work on translating a few pages from a novel. Okay? Jadi saya akan posting yang harus dikerjakan. Alright?
Alright, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much for coming.
Miss, deadline-nya kapan, Miss?
Deadline-nya kapan? Ya hari apa? Hari Minggu, hari Senin? Senin boleh. Ya?
Senin, ma'am.
Baik, ma'am.
Senin is fine. Oke? Iya, saya juga akan posting tugas itu setengah jam lagi. Ya? Jam 1. Oke?
Okay,
Then-
ma'am.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So thank you very much. Enjoy your lunch. And don't forget to work on the assignment that I'm going to give you. Yeah? Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Makasih, ma'am.
See you next week. Tolong itu yang tidak masuk dicatat